Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Review questions. Encircle the correct answer. MCQs 1. Which molecule contain a carbon-carbon double bond? So carbon-carbon double bond is present in ethene. In ethane we have a single bond. In ethene we have a carbon-to-carbon double bond. In ethane we have a carbon-to-carbon triple bond. And ethyl alcohol is I am writing on a rough register. So in ethane we have a single bond. In ethene we have a double bond. The answer of it is double bond. I am explaining you the remaining answer, the remaining options. In ethine we have a triple bond. If you are asked for a triple bond, then ethine is the answer. And ethyl alcohol is ethyl alcohol representing the OH group means ethyl alcohol is a member of alkyl alcohol, alcohol family member. So ethyl means that 2 carbon, so CH3 CH2, this is ethyl alcohol, and it means that ethyl is attached to the OH group. So ethyl alcohol is CH3 CH2OH, so there is no double bond in it. So we are asked for the double bond, carbon to carbon double bond. So carbon to carbon double bond is present in ethene. In the second MCQs, which product is obtained when chloromethane or methyl chloride is reduced? Reduced means that reduction reaction. So chloromethane or methyl chloride. So chloromethane is CH3 chloromethane CH3Cl, and we have to find that which product is produced when methyl chloride or chloromethane is reduced. Reduced means that reduction reaction. In reduction reaction we have nascent hydrogen, so it means that methyl chloride is reacted with nascent hydrogen. So which product is produced when methyl chloride is reacted with nascent hydrogen? So this is the reduction reaction. In reduction reaction Cl is replaced by the H, so it is CH4. It will be CH4. When Cl replaced by one hydrogen, it will become CH4, and the replaced Cl react with the other hydrogen to form HCl. So when chloromethane or methyl chloride is reduced, methane, this is methane is produced. So the answer is methane. In the third, which reacts explosively with methane? So fluorine always react explosively. It is written in our textbook. I am showing you where it is written. It is written this: fluorine react explosively. So fluorine also react explosively, and we are asked for which react explosively. So fluorine react explosively. By dehydration we mean dehydration. Dehydration means that D means removal, hydration is water, it means that removal of water. So dehydration we means the removal of water molecule. Ethene and ethine can be differentiated by strong alkaline aqueous solution, because ethene react with dilute solution of KMnO4 and ethine react with concentrated or strong alkaline solution. Ethine cannot react with dilute KMnO4 solution. So if if the given molecule is reacting with strong alkaline KMnO4 solution, it means the given solution is ethine. Or if the given solution is reacting with dilute solution of KMnO4, it means that the reaction is ethene. Which is used for dehydrohalogenation. Dehydrohalogenation means that D means removal, hydro means hydrogen, and halogen means halogen. It means that the removal of HCl molecule. So which is used for dehydration reaction? Dehydrohalogenation reaction. So always for the dehydrohalogenation reaction, the reactant must react with KOH in the presence of alcohol. So alcoholic KOH. For the dehydrohalogenation reaction, alcoholic KOH reactant has to react with alcoholic KOH, means that the reactant has to react with KOH in the presence of alcohol. The next is, which substance reacts with KMnO4 to produce oxalic acid? So oxalic acid is produced when ethine reacts with KMnO4. Ethine, KMnO4 produces nascent oxygen, and that nascent oxygen react with ethine and then it is converted into oxalic acid. It is a two or three steps reaction. It is not directly converted into oxalic acid. Ethyne first converted into another product, and that product will convert again by removing two water molecule and then react with oxygen to form oxalic acid. This reaction is present in the chemical reaction or the properties of ethyne. The reduction of alkyl halide means that alkyl is R, halide is RX. The reduction of alkyl halide take place in the presence of the reduction means that react with nascent hydrogen. For the reduction of alkyl halide always react in for the reduction of alkyl halide, ZnHCl it will take place in the presence of ZnHCl, because Zn react with HCl and it produces nascent hydrogen. That nascent hydrogen is used for the reduction reaction. So without the presence of nascent hydrogen reduction reaction not possible. So first Zn and HCl react together and it forms ZnCl2 and nascent hydrogen is produced. That nascent hydrogen react with alkyl halide to perform the reduction reaction. In the next, which product are alkane? Which process produces an alkane? Out of the following, which of the reaction is that which produces alkane? So first is combustion reaction always produces carbon dioxide and water. So alkane cannot be produced by combustion reaction. Hydration, alkane cannot produce by hydration, and dehydration, it is also not produced by dehydration. In our course for the preparation of alkane we have two reactions. One is hydrogenation of ethene and ethyne, and the second is reduction reaction of ethyl chloride. So reduction reaction is not mentioned, hydrogenation is mentioned. So hydrogenation is the reaction through which we can prepare alkane. There are two methods for the preparation of alkane. One is hydration of alkene and alkyne, and the second preparation is reduction of alkyl halide. So in our option we have hydrogenation. So it means that hydrogenation is a process through which alkane can be produced. In the last blanks, dash does not react with aqueous solution of bromine. So in this option, first we have to understand what is the reaction of bromine water. So bromine water react with any member of alkene family and alkyne family. Means that alkene it is CH2 double bond CH2. Whenever bromine water react with alkene family, it converts double bond into single bond, and one bromine goes to one carbon atom attached with one carbon atom, second bromine attached to second carbon, means that CH single bond CH, Br, and it is also reacted with triple bond compound. So when it reacts with triple bond compound, it converts the triple bond into double bond, and one bromine attached with one carbon and second bromine attached to second carbon. So bromine can react with alkene, any member of alkene and alkyne. When it reacts with alkene, it convert double bond into single bond. When it react with alkyne, it convert alkyne into alkene. So in this blank, bromine water cannot react with, this is C2H6, it is ethane. Ethane is a member of C2H6, it is the member of alkane. In alkane we do not have any double bond or triple bond which bromine can break. So bromine water cannot react with alkane member, or alkane member is in option we have alkane member which is ethane. So bromine water does not react with aqueous solution of ethane cannot react with aqueous solution of bromine, because in ethane we have only single bond, no double bond, no triple bond. So bromine water cannot react with it, because bromine water breaks the double bond into single bond and triple bond into double bond or single bond. So ethane cannot react with bromine water solution. These are the 10 MCQs. Inshallah, in the next video we will start to solve the short answer questions of this review exercise questions. Assalamu alaikum.